Batch 2010-2012. I'm here to share with you all the experiences I had past 2 years studying at MIT. Starting on with the faculties, we have had great privilege of experienced faculties in the construction sectors to teach us, to share their experiences and to behave in a friendly manner with us, wherein later on when we just get into a professional field, they just rather than having a student and faculty relation, we are having a colleagues relation. In the first year, we have definitely had experiences of organizing a 2-day symposium on integrated township development. I must say it was a challenge for us to arrange the sponsorships, do the marketing, get the participants, and that too we had top leaders such as Hira Nandani and all who had given their visit in the 2-day integrated township development. Apart from that, we have had enormous and huge quantitative training sessions of Arya ma'am. I must say the motivation techniques that she had highlighted us during those sessions are still being followed by us today. Coming to the final year, it comes for the placement and all. When I talk about construction management, in 2 years, it's just not that the construction sector, the practices involved into it was highlighted in the picture. What basically was more highlighted into it was the business perspective as well, which had eventually helped me in getting the placement in a company called as CB Richard Ellis, wherein I had been designated as a project coordinator for business development. Business, being a civil engineer, it's really required for us to understand the economics, to understand the financial management. This is the add-on advantage of this course that leads us to the business perspective. I must say that a 2-year course in MIT Construction Management is going to be a boon for you all, and please go ahead and pursuing it so that you have a bright future later on. Thank you.